All right, man, bright and early out in Carmel Valley. Carmel Valley, San Diego. Fucking 6:30, 7 o'clock. First job of the day. Let's see what we got going on. So you selling the house?
I'm renting it out.
Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, tired. Dang, dude.
You get some sleep?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. So, do you want me to show you first what goes back to the condo?
No, let's see what's trash first, because I want to
Trash.
get the trash in
Okay,
first,
trash
and
in
then
first.
yours, the good stuff,
Okay.
last. That way I don't
So-
destroy it.
Yeah. So trash is all of these.
So all this stuff
Yes. There.
to the table.
To the So this also
Okay.
and this.
Let me see. Pull this. So this is going. This is going.
This is going.
Okay. Oops, sorry. You got that bag of trash probably.
Yeah, there's a bag of trash.
Okay. Just set this there.
And I think all of that.
Oh, this is going?
Yes, and everything that's on the shelves.
Okay, is going.
Mm-hmm.
So pretty much all this stuff.
Yes.
Everything in the garage.
Except
Except, that's a big one.
the except is this one,
The dolly.
the dolly, this thing,
Okay.
and the generator that's inside here.
Okay, yeah. Are the shelves going?
No,
They're gonna stay.
they say
But all this stuff is going.
yes.
Okay. I'm gonna pull my truck up into the driveway then.
Yeah.
And that way I'll move your cane and we'll get all this stuff loaded first and then I'll
drop the cane. I'm not sure used to using it yet, but yeah.
that's okay, let me grab it for you. We don't want to run that over. Chow. There you go, madame. So this stuff
that-
too?
Yeah,
Okay.
and also
The metal cabinet.
the metal cabinet and everything.
Everything in it. Okay. Let me pull the truck back. We'll get everything loaded, confirm that we got everything, and then we'll get the other
Except
items that you
This
need.
chair too and this card table.
It's staying.
Yes.
That's not going. Okay.
Oh, no. It's going to the condo.
It's going to the condo.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me pull in. It'll be easier. That way it's quicker for me. Okay, so we got some items. Let me back up. So we got the garage clean out, Carmel Valley right now. Bright and early. Okay. 6 o'clock in the morning, 6:30. Got another one after this by my house at 9. And I got my mechanic coming today to work on my other car. So it's a busy morning. That's why we're out here early. Glad I didn't come last night because there's a lot of shit. She just had a couple boxes. There's a lot of shit, man. Which is fine. We'll make some cheddar. So stay tuned. We'll show you the before and afters.
Over 1,000 winners plus a progressive prize fund worth $700,000 cash.